old or you are growing wiser? Well, every living species in this universe is growing old by default. Look at the plants, they grow tall, they shed their leaves. Look at the animals, they grow old and then eventually they die. Only we humans are the blessed species who can not only grow old. If I talk about the number of years we spent on this beautiful earth, rather we can also grow wiser. Now that's a choice and that depends upon person to person. What do you do with your life? So eventually I was somebody who looks at each day as a fresh beginning and imbibes new learnings, talk to new people, inculcate new habits, analyze situations with different perspectives, broaden his horizon. So are you somebody who actually grows wiser each day? Or let me rephrase this question, or are you somebody who thinks, on the same lines as you used to be, let's say 5 years before? So the question of today is introspect and spend some time with yourself. Try to just analyze what is your daily routine, not only in terms of the physical activities, rather focus on your mental activities. What do you do on a daily basis to enhance your mental health, to enhance your relationships, to enhance your knowledge, to become a better version of yourself, to become somebody who people look up to? If they want to take a decision, do they really feel like talking to you, pouring out their heart and taking your valuable advice? Are you somebody who actually gives a 360-degree approach to an event, and that comes with the wisdom that you acquire? It never comes with the kind of knowledge that you gain over the period, right? It is not a result of your academic knowledge. Wisdom is something which you achieve through application, through experiences. So, my question to you is, are you somebody who actually focuses on experiential learning and who really pays a lot of attention on how do you spend your whole day? Is there something unique that you're doing every day in order to become more wiser, in order to have a matured approach as each day progresses? Do you really believe in, kind of brain gym as well? The way people, go in for gyms for the physical, health improvement, and they go to the gyms that help them to tone up and shape their bodies. So are you somebody who works on his brain as well, right? Which is called as, doing the brain gym activities. So think over this, and if you are somebody who has never given a thought to this important aspect of your life, do it right now. And I assure you, over a period of time, you will never be the same person. And it's not only about the way we grow physically over the years, right? We grow taller and a lot of changes happen, but it also has to do a lot with our mental growth, which is not acquired only through reading or going through your curriculum books. It's the kind of life that you lead, it's the kind of people that you meet, it's the kind of activities that you do apart from your daily course. So, food for thought today is, are you somebody who believes in becoming wiser and wiser each day, or you just want to simply grow old and die? If you found this video helpful and relatable, don't forget to hit that fat like button. Also, do share it in your community so that other people may benefit out of it. Don't forget to subscribe so that you get the daily updates on